Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to your Venmo account from your bank account or debit card. Guys, this is super easy, but you'll need a Venmo debit card to add funds directly. Let's get started. Say, open the Venmo app on your phone. Download it from the App Store or Google Play if you haven't already. Sign in with your email or phone number. First, ensure you've linked a bank account or debit card. Go to the Me tab. Tap Settings, then Payment Methods. Select Add a bank or card, choose your option, and enter the details. For banks, verify instantly or manually. Manual takes 1 to 3 days, so debit cards are faster. Now head back to the main screen. You'll see your Venmo balance. Maybe it's $0 or a few bucks. Tap Manage next to it, then select Add Money. For instant transfers, you can add up to $500 per week using a debit card. It's instant and free. For bank accounts, it's also free but takes 3 to 5 days. Pick your amount, say $20, or type a custom amount like $7.50. Tap Next, confirm your bank or debit card, and hit Add. Check the app's transaction feed to see the updated balance, like $27.50 after adding $20. Unique tip: set up auto reload in the Add Money menu to keep your balance topped up automatically when it dips below a set amount, like 10. If the transfer is slow or fails, ensure your bank has funds and is verified or contact Venmo support. Debit card transfers are your go-to for speed. By the way, if you're looking for a smarter alternative to Venmo, I strongly recommend Wise. I use it myself. It's hands down one of the best ways to send money, whether it's within the US or to friends and family overseas. Right now, they're running an exclusive offer. Sign up using the link below and your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Wise consistently beats banks and other payment services on fees and exchange rates, and the reviews speak for themselves. Best part? Creating an account is 100% free and takes just a few minutes. So if you want to save money every time you send money, click the link in the description, create your free Wise account, and grab your free $800 transfer today.